Welcome to our LATAMPaper May 25. Hope you like it. The topics we are going to talk this month are Latin America's economy and opportunities amid global trade shifts and
the IMF now expects economic growth in Latin America to slow to 2.0% in 2025 from last year's 2.4% expansion, down from a January estimate of 2.5% growth. Mexico's economy, closely intertwined with the United States, is now expected to contract 0.3% this year from a previously projected 1.4% expansion as U.S. tariffs hit exports. Growth in Brazil, the region's largest economy, is expected to slow to 2.0% from a January estimate of 2.2%. Argentina's 5.5% growth forecast for 2025 represents an increase from January's 5%. Colombia is projected to grow 2.4%, Chile 2.0%, Ecuador 2.5%, and Peru 2.8%. For Central America, the estimate is for growth of 3.8% this year, slightly slower than the 3.9% rate in 2024. As global trade dynamics shift, particularly due to U.S.-China tensions, Latin America is uniquely positioned to benefit. The region's natural resources, proximity to the U.S., and manufacturing capacity present several emerging opportunities. 1. Trade diversion opportunities. The realignment of global supply chains could redirect $280 billion in trade away from China. Latin America, with competitive labor costs and access to the U.S. market, is well placed to capture a significant portion of this redirected trade, especially in commodities and manufacturing. 2. Critical minerals as a strategic export. The U.S. is seeking alternatives to China for critical minerals, e.g., lithium, copper, rare earths. Chile, Peru, and Argentina are standout players. These countries can solidify their role as essential partners in the energy transition and electric vehicle supply chains. 3. Nearshoring and manufacturing. The shift toward nearshoring benefits Mexico in particular, given geographic proximity to the U.S. and existing trade agreements. However, policy stability and infrastructure investment are key to maximizing this potential across the region.
Containerboard. Markets are changing rapidly. We are seeing demand slowing down in most regions, especially on recycled grades. Industrial boxes are having a low time with the uncertainty in the markets. New capacity started in Europe, and in Asia we are seeing aggressive offers to change the volumes that were going to China. I think that recycled grades will have a lot of pressure. On virgin grades we are seeing mills shutting either permanently or temporary to control the market. Mills are trying to increase prices, but with these shifts in the market, the outcome is uncertain. We are now on the low season in agro, and we expect a good high season in most of Latin America. Pulp. We are seeing a possible downward trend on our region. Seems that China will not increase their demand during the year. We are seeing mill programming maintenance time to control the output. Eucalyptus will have the most pressure due to the capacity available. Softwood have the same trend, although there is not overcapacity.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.